Hello everyone, welcome to our new Python from Scratch series. In this series, we will learn the Python language so that you will be able to build a good command over this language. So do not forget to subscribe my channel if you are coming for the first time so that you will get many videos that will help you out in your tech journey. So let's move ahead with our first video. What is Python? So Python is a high level programming language that lets you communicate with the computer so that you can tell a computer what to do using some clear human readable instruction. So machine does not understand our Hindi or English or any other language that we speak or write. Okay, they only understand the bytecode. So we use these programming languages to convert our simple language into the bytecode. Okay, so let's move ahead and discuss about why Python is so popular. So there are many reasons behind that Python is becoming so popular these days. The first reason is it is very easy to learn and use Python. Why? Because Python has a very simple syntax like we write in English. So Python has a code look like purely like we are writing in English. You don't need semicolon, curly braces or some other stuff that we have in other programming languages like Java or .NET if you have ever worked on these languages. So Python on comparison to other languages is very easy to write and understand. And the second thing, it has a massive collection of libraries. Okay, so libraries like it has pre-written code that you can reuse. Okay, so like in our previous languages like C, C++, okay, we had to write the code, most of the code from scratch. But in Python, we have the built-in code in the form of modules available that we can directly just import in our file and we can just use that or method inside it directly. And that's all. So that's why that is one of the reason. The another reason is it is used by superpowers today, like Google, NASA, YouTube. I think every MNC, the big tech firms are now using Python. I don't think if there is any major tech industry which is not using the Python language these days. And the fourth and most important point is it is used in AI. Okay, so today, as you know, the AI is becoming very vast, and I think everyone is using AI these days. And the basic and the main language which is behind the AI is Python. Okay, this is the initial language in which people started to build their LLM models and all using the using the Python language. So that's why it's becoming so popular. Okay, so the next thing comes in your mind, where do we write Python code? Okay, so the first thing is you can write your code in your IDE like VS Code, PyCharm, where you can install Python and then you start building your code from scratch. Okay, and so for that you need your laptop with you, and then you need your resources where you have to install all these things and you have to set up your environment for Python, and then you can write your code there. And the second alternative is you can go for online tools like we have today, Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook. I think Jupyter Notebook, you have heard about it. Okay. And the Google Colab is also one of these. So in this series, I will be using majorly the Google Colab, and you will also get to know about the Google Colab. So let's move ahead and write our first basic Python program. Okay, so let's open the Google Colab. So this is the Google Colab link that you can open on your browser. And once it's open, then you can just create your first notebook. Okay, so once it is done, okay, so now you can see we have this options to write your code and text as well. Okay, and we have the option to run all of the code at once, or we can run them one by one as well. Okay, so let's write our first basic program to print the hello world. Okay, so we will write print hello world. Okay, now when you will play it, so now you can see you get the hello world as your output. So without downloading any dependency or without setting up any environment, so this is the tool that provides you everything here. You just need to write your code and execute it. So that was our first basic program in Python. So the coming video, we'll be discussing about the variables of Python. Thank you.